Hey, what's up, Ecomi Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Ecomi. As you know, my friends, it is the last date of month. On the last date, the people doing a very big mistake, my friends. Please, my friends, don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. If you do this mistake, so you are in the loss, my friends. And if you don't do this mistake, so you are in the profit. Now, first of all, we took the latest update of the Omicoin. After that, we discussed that the mistake of Horus, and you have to subscribe my channel for updates, my friends. Please subscribe ABS for updates, my friends. Now, let's start the video, friends. The latest price of the Omicoin is 0.002572 USD dollar. That is the latest price of this Ecomi. On the other side, if you look the price changes of Ecomi, so the last 1 hour pricing is negative. Now there is the live price prediction, live pricing chart of the Omicoin that the last 1 hour pricing is negative, except after last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is positive. So that is why I'm being very happy that the previous time exchange is positive. I know that is the temporary fast of the Omi. After some period of time, they will again start jumping, my friends. You can see here, my friends, absolutely, if you look the price chart of the Omicoin, so that is the last 3 days price chart. You can see here the first day fast down, the second day take a jump, again fast down for a little time, and again take a jump. So my friends, the last 2 days tell us that is the pattern, that is the new pattern of the Omicoin. Now it's clear that they going upward. Now the price is going upward, so that is it's time to hold, my friends. And a lot of holders decide to sell, my friends. So what are you doing, my friends? It's not a perfect time to sell, my friends. Why you are selling? It's time to hold, it's time to buy Omicoin, my friends. That's how you can get a profit from the Omi. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Omi? Please tell them in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected with us.